Hey again, Simon here from b.solar. And Justin from Hawthorn wants to know how long it takes to get a solar system installed. It's a great question and one we've been getting from quite a few people. The actual installation of a solar system on your roof is just part of a larger process, which involves paperwork and approvals with electricity distributors and retailers, which we take care of because we love paperwork. It's very important. You should allow a total time from signing your contract, the installation of the system, and to being connected to the grid of about 4 to 6 weeks. The actual time when installers are at your place working is usually just 1 to 2 days, depending on the size of the solar system. After the installation is completed, we'll work with your distributor and your retailer to connect the system to the grid. Now, this process can take a few weeks, but while that's happening, you will remain connected to the grid. So you won't be without power, which is good to know, right, Justin? Don't forget, if you have a question, just like Justin's, head to our website and send it to me. I will do my best to get it answered for you. This is Simon signing out. I'll catch you soon.